So today we're going to be talking about multiples of 10. Okay, so our reading goal will be multiples of 10. And I'm going to undo this one for today. I'm not going to erase it, just to be quick today. Okay, so our goal is multiples of 10. Now, when we look at multiples of 10, it gets tricky, but it really doesn't have to be. Okay, it really is a multiple of 10, all down. A multiple of 10 is not tricky at all. It's simply a number that you would get if you were to count by tens. If I wanted to get a multiple of 10, would 30 be a multiple of 10? Let's check and see. Let's check and see. So I said that if you count by what's? Tens, you would hit a multiple of 10. So this whole crew right here,
110, 190.
this whole line are multiples of 10. Are they not? Yeah, let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. I'm counting by what's when I do these numbers? 1, 2, 3?
Tens.
So a multiple of 10 is anytime you count by tens. So if a multiple of 10 is anytime you count by tens, what would be a multiple of 5? What would be a multiple of 5?
Every time you count by 5.
High five in the air. Nice job, my friend. Exactly. What would be a multiple of 2?
Counting by 2s.
Exactly. High five in the air. Beautiful. What would be a multiple of 1?
Counting by 1.
Counting by 1's high five in the air. Nice.
So I just said
What would be a multiple of 4?
counting by 4s.
Okay, so you get the point. Really pretty easy. Okay. Multiple means many. So as many numbers as you can hit counting by 10s. As many numbers as you can hit by counting by 2s. As many numbers as you can hit counting by 1s. Multiples of those numbers. It's going to be really important when we talk about, oh my gosh, multiplication.
I know.
Multiplication is simply multiples of a number. So easy, isn't it?
No.
It's really not hard. And so we're just kind of starting that right now. So let me take this away.
Someone taught it me and when I was in first grade.
Spell check. So let's talk about it now. Let's help if I use the right end of the stylus. So let's see if you can, with your iPad partner, you're not going to hold it up and explain it. You're not going to take control of Apple TV today. We're going to just make it really quick, just like our slates, okay? So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Give for me the nearest multiple of 10 on your slate. Now, what does that mean? The nearest multiple. Let me pull this back over again for one more time. Well, if I were going to say the number 18, and I'm looking for the nearest multiple of 10,
It won't let me.
just leave it. Just leave it. I'll take care of it after. Let me say it one more time. If I were looking at the number 18 and looking for the nearest multiple of 10, what would that number be? Who thinks they've got it in their brain? Yeah?
20.
How do you know? She's right. How do you know that?
Because it's close to 18 and it's close to the 10.
Right. Would this be close to 10? Closer
No.
to 10 than 20? No. Okay, so let me give you another one. You ready? You guys, this is kind of taking our learning, well, it is not kind of. It's taking our learning from last week when we were talking about ballpark estimates and now putting it into multiples. Okay, really. Think about it. You see what I'm saying? Okay, what if I have the number 44? Oops, what if I have the number 44? What's the closest multiple to 44? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if it's 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is it? 40. Nice. Remember, you can even count using your 100 chart, right? Okay. Oh, I'm waiting for one. Okay. So let me do one more. Because you're running into a bunch of these. You ready? So I'm going to leave this down here. See if it'll work for me. Sometimes it won't. I'm going to get rid of all that craziness. Oops. Sometimes the magnets talk back to the Mimeo, so we'll see if it does today. Okay, so are you ready? I'm going to shine up a number, and you're going to you're going to write the nearest multiple of 10 on your slate. Are you ready? So you're going to be, I explain everything. You and your partner talk about it. What's the nearest multiple of 31? Write it down. Shh. Oh, do it quietly. It's almost.
What is the
Nearest multiple of 31. Talk to your partner because they had the same thing that I just told you. Talk about it. Talk in turn.
30. What's 30? Oh, yeah. The multiple of that. It's 30.
Turn and talk and just write down. What would be the nearest multiple of 31? Nearest 10.
31.
Multiple of 10. It's closer to. Okay, I'm going to count down, and then I'm looking for it to be on your screen. It will be in a second.
These things are hard to do it with 9.
Okay, what is the nearest multiple of 10 to 31? 31, 1, 2, 3.
30.
I gave it away. Okay, let's do another one. Ready? Turn and talk.
20.
Oh, don't, no, to your partner, not to me. Guys, come on. Oh, okay. Is that loud enough for me to hear? Okay, so this is getting a little easier. So now, what would be the nearest multiple of 10 to 19? 1, 2, 3.
20.
Yeah. If we look at 19, eyes up. Eyes up. If we look at 19, whoops. I did that behind it. If we look at 19, is it closer to 10 or 20, my friends? 20. So it's right there. So 20 would be the nearest multiple of 10 to 19. Okay, here we go. Let's get hard. You guys are getting so easy peasy. Ready? Turn and talk.
We're closer to 70. Way closer than 70. Because plus 6 would equal 80.
I love the talking I'm hearing here.
70. 6
I don't know why you think that. What makes you think that? Do you have it already? Oh, sheesh, you guys are fast. I thought you were. That's the thing that happened to your iPad.
Yeah, I wasn't getting any hat. You weren't paying attention.
Okay, what is right? The nearest multiple of 10 to 74. 1, 2, 3.
70.
Yeah. If we look at 74, eyes up. Here's 74 right here. If I were to go 1, 2, 3, 4, or would I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70 is definitely closer, and it's a multiple of 10 to 74 than 80 is. Nice. Okay, here we go. Let's try another one. What is this one? Okay, nearest multiple of 10 on your iPad, 98. Don't let her do it all. I haven't seen him even touch it, my friend. Haven't seen him even touch it. Sharing. The nearest multiple of 10.
9. This is going to be a long video.
Yeah. You think? Well, it's just getting easier because you're getting used to it.
When are we going to learn about time?
This is really about times tables. This is the beginning of learning about times tables. Okay, my friends. 1, 2, 3. 100 is the nearest multiple to 98. Nice job. If we look at 98, eyes up, all down. Flip it over, all down. 3, 2, 1, 0. All down. No, just all down. So if we look at 98 right here, and we say 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's clear that it takes much longer to get to 90 than it does 100 for a multiple of 10. Okay. Keep your slates all down. Leah, can you just stop that? And we're going to break it into sections.